kokalo hola kopogore kod eka achiel mopuodhi kokalo chenro mar jotije sirikal. Wang'iyo dongruok makaluo kuma piny owacho olando ni gibiro keto omenda makore lach mar bero dho wedhe mayudore kaonti ma Homa Bay. Jatend migawo matudo kod lony manyasani Eliudo Walo wacho ni mae biro bedo achiel kuom weche mag dongruok ma jatend piny William Ruto biro mulo e limbe mare e kaonti no giko juma manyien. Owalo bende ne oten kod Gavana Gladys Wanga kod jagoro mongirore e migawo mar arita Raymond Omolo kama ne olero ni bero dho wedhe magin Kendu Bay, Mbita kod Homa Bay biro bero lwasi mar wuoth kod limbe e kaunti no.
This is very, very important because Homa Bay is a bay. This is a bay town. Without the bay, there is no Homa Bay. So it would really, really be good to have the bay opened up and to have big ships coming to dock here. And we're asking ourselves the question, what will the ships carry? Now that is a question that we have to answer as the people of Homa Bay. Meli itabeba nini, ikienda nayo, Tanzania, Uganda, na mahali pengine.
If these piers are revitalized, we are going to open up this region to commerce with other countries and other regions. So there are two fundamental objectives here. Transport for the people of this region and also trade and entrepreneurship and commerce. That will open up this region entirely, and it will facilitate a situation where we have got the people of this region benefiting by way of income.
What we are doing is to appeal to the residents of Homa Bay County that these investments are supposed to make a difference in the lives of the people of Homa Bay. So we need to take advantage and ensure that once the projects are completed and even as they are being undertaken, there are opportunities for employment for our youths, and we need to take an interest and participate in them.